So what drives my research? I care about the problems of sustainable development, which are how to improve human welfare around the world, especially for those people who are the poorest among us, while not wrecking the natural environment upon which we depend. And different flavors of that work includes modeling and managing land use systems in ways that produce what we need land to produce while maintaining biodiversity. Another flavor of that is public health systems and learning to adapt to climate change in terms of how infectious disease will affect poor people around the planet. But broadly, I care about bridging economics and the natural science in ways that help us identify the low-hanging fruit in the challenge of sustainable development. What I love about a policy school is that we're training students who are eager to go out into the professional realm, whether it's the private sector or government or the nonprofit sector, and solve real problems. And so we're offering them analytical frameworks and real tools to solve some of the challenges that we face in our society. One of the sets of tools, which is what I've created here on the teaching side at GPS, is in geospatial analysis. So working with spatial data, working with satellite data, which are increasingly useful with all sorts of applications, and having students know those tools and be able to use them in the professional sphere to solve problems from environmental policy to poverty reduction to public health to private sector applications. And that's been a very, very useful tool for our students as they lead GPS. Humanity's in a crisis. Our planet has been pushed beyond its limits in terms of what it can sustain and how much more we can mine its resources in terms of biodiversity, in terms of the climate system, in terms of the land use system. And at the same time, we still have hundreds of millions of people living in extreme poverty around the world. What drives my passion is that we need to improve on this situation, and I think we've got the science to do it, and now we need to support public policy in terms of helping governments find win-win situations where we can both improve people's lives, improve the environment, and move us towards meeting these goals of sustainable development.